Okay, ready?
Come on.
10 little birds. Oh, let's see. Let's show. Look at what Prescott made. It's an excavator. Very good, Prescott. All right. You want to see here so you can see? 10 Little Birds by Jill Nieman.
You're Nieman.
10 little birds sat on a line. One flew off, and now there are 9.
9.
9 little birds sat on a line. One found a mate, and now there are 8.
8. Wait, am I grown-up birds?
I guess, yeah. 8 little birds sat on a line. One moved in with Devin, and now there are 7.
7 birds.
7 birds.
7 birds.
7 little birds sat on a line.
7 on the line.
One made a nest of sticks, and now there are 6.
6. Wait, how about them did on the wire?
I don't know. 6 little birds sat on a line. One danced to a jive, and now there are 5.
Yeah.
Yeah. 5 little birds sat on a line. One went to the shore, and now there are 4.
4.
4 little birds sat on a line.
9.
One found a tree, and now there are 3.
3.
3 little birds sat on a line.
9.
One found a shoe, and now there are 2.
2.
2 little birds sat on a line. One flew to the sun, and now there's just 1. 1 little bird sat on a line. Now he is alone, and that is just fine. The end.
And here.